am back, but not with Diamond Art Club this time. I have bought some of the Dreamer design. I really loved some new painting they have released. So this one is one of my favorite from the new releases. So I wanted to open this first. Let's see. I always throw away my tweezer. I believe it's down here, so I have to try to open it. Let's see. Ooh. Like this. Ooh. Plastic, always some plastic. Just to be safe. I have a hooch with the plastic right beside me, and let's open this one right way. I love how they do the packing for the Dreamer design. Very excited for that. I just did my hassle, and now I'm on my custom toolkit. My friend told her boyfriend that Dreamer design have two of everything in the toolkit. So she said to him she can come and work with her because we get two of those, two of pens, two of everything. So she liked it. I believe it's the same toolkit as always, and it was. I love the this kind of material. Love it. And I love that Dreamer design have also the logo on their toolkit. So soft. I wish we could have like this soft, like for the bag, like here we have a bag, but it's not that soft and good. Okay, let's see. So I got two bags of plenty of green and gray and whatever you can call it. Two bags. Where is the sticker? What is going on? Okay, I hope it's inside, because I didn't find the sticker on my custom, so I get super confused. Let's see, I hope it's inside. And since this is Dreamer design, it's kind of a little bit stiff, so I'm gonna roll it backwards before you can see it. So let me do that rolling, because it's so more stiff than the other. Oh god damn it. I wish it could be cooperated, but no, it's never cooperating with it. So let's see. Okay. Okay, the sticker is here. So yeah, for that one. Okay. So this is 60 by 80, 80 by 60, something like that. Let's see if it can lay flat. To move something around. Let's see. Put that on the floor. It's on the floor. Like this. Let's see. Okay. Okay. You can see it. Oh my god. I thought it was kind of dark. 60. Okay, so it's 64 colors. 1 AB green. And yeah, it's the same symbol they always use. Oh, look at this leopard. So cute. I really love this painting when I did see it come out. So yeah, maybe you want to see his face, his cute little face. So this is my leopard the Jaguar. Sorry, Jaguar? So it's a Jaguar, it's not a leopard. So this is 80 by 16 by license to from Lucie Bilodeau something. Yeah. So yeah. So this is the whole painting. It's kind of stop. Okay, it's a little bit down. Let's see, like this, so you can see how it's. Yeah, it's big, it's nice, and it's lovely. So yeah, we have the AB. The AB is only one, and the one is down here. Okay, you cannot see it. Down here, here, and yeah, outlining some of the flowers. So yeah, it's quite good. And we have paint with passion, and they have a free warranty. And we got sticky, so it's pour glue. That's why I rolled it the opposite way. We have a schematic on this side and one on the other side. And I'm gonna turn this a little bit around. And the symbol are super clear, so it should not be any problem. Cannot see any problem right now. I think I use iPad, so I don't have any problem, but sometimes it can be a little bit blurrier, and diamond art clubs are so much better. But yeah, I think it's nice. I did the hassle and it did go smoothly without a problem, and I was a lucky one to win on a bingo on the stream. So I did get a free painting, so it's on the way, but I don't know when it's come and where it's coming, what it's gonna be, because I have to choose by 3 painting. So super excited to win something, so that's nice. Here was a symbol that I don't. What is going on with that symbol? Oh. Okay. Okay, I see a problem. I have to find out. Okay, so we had a blurry kind of place right here. I don't know what have happened. It's like it's kind of pop, pop. But I see what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a like a hammer kind of thing. But yeah, it's blurry at this side as well. It's the first time I see it can be a little bit blurry, because all of the other symbol here is clear like a day, and we have this area here is kind of like a problem. I don't know if you can see how the symbol is right here on the side. You can see it's kind of blurry, and here's the blurry point. I don't know what happened here, but is that the only place? Yeah. Okay, so unfortunately it's only here in this area I have that problem. So maybe the printer went wrong here, I don't know. But yeah, I can see what it is, and I used the light pad, so it should be okay. No other place is gonna be that problem, so that's nice. Okay, so that's for my, no leopard, but Jaguar. Very nice Jaguar. I love animal, but I have not been doing any animal yet. So this is gonna be my first. Beside dragons I like to do. So yeah, is it in love? I'm in love with this painting already. I can't wait to get started, but it's gonna be next year. So I hope you like it, and I hope to see you very soon. It was quite few AB in this painting. It could be some blue, but no, maybe I gonna put in some blue, because this is square kit, so I don't have quite of the square in AB, so I cannot replace them right now, but I have to order some new AB. But yes, I hope you like it. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.